Okay, so what you're going to do is open up your photo in the eraser app and erase that white background. We're now going to open up PHOTOGRID, get that photo with no background. Now you can change the colors, whatever your color scheme is, you choose. And we also want to zoom in on the photo because it's too small, so we're going to make it bigger, bigger, a little bigger, so we'll be able to see it in the highlight tab. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Going back to find like a shade of blue because that's my brand color as well. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is save both of these, and then we're gonna head to Instagram. Okay, we're here on Instagram. We're just gonna click on the highlight. We're gonna click on those three dots and we're gonna remove that photo and we're gonna add our new one. So I was gonna go with blue, but then I changed my mind. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go with red. And then you can also make it a little bigger right there as well. So I changed the red because the other one was too bright. So I'm just changing all of the different tabs. I have quite a few. And then I went back and I changed my logo. I changed that profile photo to the blue one because our brand colors are blue and red. And now my page looks so much better, as you can see on the right hand side, the before and after. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.